good afternoon. A very good afternoon, Nana. How are you all? Fine. Yeah, very good. Very good. Okay, closer. Okay, Nana. And see, most of the children collected their worksheets. Those collected their second worksheet. Okay, you also who did not collect the worksheet, come to school and collect your second worksheet. Okay, those who did not collect your worksheet, Sadnan, Harish, Charanchari, what are you doing, Charanchari? How many days want to write your worksheet? So tomorrow must and should come to school and collect your second worksheet also. Okay, and Deepti, you also collect your second worksheet, Nana. And what about piece of week? What I said after this class, call said, na? Call to me said, na? Why? Why did not call? Daily you listen the classes, but worksheets are not collecting. You did not take worksheet, first one and second one also. And when I call you, you did not lift. Cut the mobile, cut the call also. Okay? After this class, call me now. 2 o'clock. Call to me today. Okay? Peace of week. Unmute yourself. Peace of week. Unmute yourself. Unmute. What happened, Nana? What happened?
No.
You are not taking worksheet and you did not write exam also, na? Yes? Why did not write the exam? So with your father to come to school, Nana, today. Okay? Satvik. Completion of your class, you come to the school with your father. I want to talk to you. Okay, children? So, those who did not collect your second worksheet, the children collect your worksheets. Okay? And today only, today and tomorrow, these 2 days only we are giving two worksheets. Because already we given the schedule also. Yes, and the date also we are given. Exam date also, second exam date also we are given. Yes, 7th and 6th and 8th. So that's why you are burden, you became late, you only suffering. So that's why all of you collect your worksheets as soon as possible, today and tomorrow. Okay? And Shinde Yashasri, you also after this class, means after completion of 3 classes, after 2 o'clock, call me, Nana. Okay, Yashasri? Okay, children. In previous class, we learned what is our lesson? Huh? Games we play. Yes, very good. Games we play. Yes, I thought games we play lesson. So we learned why do we play the games and what are the types of games. And we know very well team games. And in past days we play some games, old games. So we learned that type of games and occupations. Some of the champions, their occupation is games only. Yes, we learned that. And today I will give hard words. Question and answer. Yes, I will ask. Okay. Games we play. Yes. Are you writing play notes? So, children, village people, village children are sent to your teacher, Nana. So, suppose you are well and so you send with Sudharani teacher. Local children come to school and do the correction. And non-local children sent to teachers. Suppose Neenamla, sent to Neenamla teacher. Munipampla, Muntas teacher is there. So send to Muntas teacher. So if you don't have any teacher, come to the school and do the correction. And you are submitting second worksheet also. So that day you all of you bring your bag and do the corrections also. Okay, textbook, workbook and fair notes. Not only EVS, all subjects. Okay? Games with play. Hard words. Important. 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 Next. Exercise. EXERCIXE. Exercise. Mind. 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 Active. 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 Go and sit there. Energy. 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 Entertainment. 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 For entertainment purpose also we play the games. Next, recreation. 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 Activities. 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 Relax. 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 So all of you read and write the hard words now. When you are writing, that time read. Not you. Next, leisure. 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 Indoor. 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 Outdoor. OUT. Out. Give over. Outdoor games. Indoor games and outdoor games. So you know the games means. Popular. 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 Popular team games. Cooperation. Cooperation. In team games, each and every player they teach us values of teamwork and cooperation also. Values. Healthy way. fields. 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 Cooperation. Cooperation. Next. Hopscotch. Hopscotch. Statue. Statue. Langley tongue. These are the games names. Required. Required. Enjoyed. Wrestling. Wrestling. Younger. YOUNGER. People. People. Occupation. Occupation. Earn. Earn money. Earn money. Sports. Organize. Ancient. Originated. Originated. Okay. These are the hard words from games we play lesson. Okay, all of you on your videos. Balke Shruti. Elavarsha. Nematullah Bek. Vaishnavi. Shivasai. Charan Tej. On your video. Okay, children? Yes, shall I read? No, Kanishka? Right. no problem. I will send in group. Okay? Okay, Kanishka? Yeah. Okay, all of you stop writing. Rumesha, stop writing. Deepti, on your video. Nematullah Beg. Shiva Sai. Ganda Shashank, on your video. Shashank. Okay? Games we play. Read on all of you. Games we play.
Games we play.
You don't read loudly. Slowly. Hard words. Important. Important. Exercise. Exercise. Mind. You know mind? Yes? Where is it? Oh, this is mind. This is mind. Oh no, I don't know really. So we think I am thinking what is it? Yes, I have a brain, so I'm thinking with my brain. Yes? Yes? Mind also, mind means our brain. Yes? Yeah. Mind. Active. Active. Energy. Energy. Entertainment. Entertainment. So we play the games for entertainment purpose also. Yes, we play the game for entertainment purpose only. Sometimes we play the game seriously, but 80-90% are people are they play the games for entertainment purpose and they relax relax the total body and mind. Yes. Next, recreation. Recreation. Recreation means what? In past days we play some games, but nowadays we play the games with mobiles only. So that games only the creation means the new games are creating. Yes, that is called a new creation. New creation means newly prepare the games. Yes, recreation. Recreation. Activities. Activities. Relax. 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 Leisure. Leisure. So we play the games in leisure only. So suppose in your school also, when after completion of your diary completed after you go to outside and play the games. Yes, in leisure time. So the busy people, their leisure time spent with with games, play with games. They play the games means they have some leisure time. So now you are the busy means when you are come to the school you are busy from morning to evening. So all subjects morning to evening. So diary period after completion of your diary period you are some free. So you go to the games. Yes, same like that. Elders also they have some leisure. So in that leisure time they play the games. Okay. Next is indoor. Indoor games and outdoor games. Yes. Next popular. Popular means we have some popular games. Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, hockey. These are the popular team games. Okay, popular means they are what? We know very well that the games. So some games we don't know. We don't know means they are not all people don't know that type of games. But popular games every people know very well. Suppose cricket is there. Cricket each and every people know. Not in our country. Total world. In all countries the cricket game is popular game. Yes. Next cooperation. Cooperation. values, values, fields, fields, hopscotch, 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 scotch, hopscotch, statue, statue, laundry tongue, laundry tongue. Next, required, required, enjoyed, enjoyed, wrestling, wrestling. So when I taught the lesson, when I teach the lesson, I said wrestling. What is mean? What is the game? Wrestling game. Wrestling means what? I said one movie name also. Yes, what is that? Wrestling. About wrestling game. One movie also is there. Dangal movie. Yes, wrestling means kusti. Kusti poti. Yes. So you all of you see the Dangal movie. This is very useful. So in that movie, total this game only wrestling game. So who's play wrestling game? Two girls. Girls are played wrestling game. Yes. Wrestling is a kusti. Next, younger. Younger. People. People. Occupation. Occupation. Earn money. Earn money. Sports. Sports. Ancient. Slowly. Ancient. Originated. Originated. Okay. These are the hard words from games we play lesson children. So all of you read and what learn the spellings also. Okay, read and learn the spellings also, Nana. So after before lesson is what? In previous lesson, games we play previous lesson. So all of you complete your paying notes up to 8th lesson. So this is the 9th lesson, na? So you are this one. Those who are completed 8th lesson up to 8th lesson, that children write in your fair notes. Okay. Parnapranit, what is your doubt?
Teacher, my FN, your near only is there, teacher.
Your FN. How to send with Sudharani, teacher?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I did not collect, Nana. Today I will collect your fair notes and do the correction. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Once again I will read, Nana. All of you read. Okay, hard words. Important. Exercise. Mind. Slowly. Active. Energy. Entertainment. Recreation. Activities. Next is? Yes. Relax. Leisure. What is this, Kanishka? Indoor. Outdoor. Popular. Yes. Cooperation. Very good. Values. Fields. Hopscotch. Statue. Language tongue. These are the games. Okay? Required. Enjoyed. Wrestling. Younger. People. Occupation. Occupation means prepare, means how they earn the money also. Occupation means suppose Sachin Tendulkar is there and Dhoni and Saina Nehwal. Some games player names, you know. Yes. So they how they earn money? They play the games and earn money. Okay, that only their occupation. Next, earn money. Sports. Ancient. Originated. Okay, children, these are the hard words. Shall I ask? Okay. Yes. Who? What? Ganta Shashank. Rumeza. Unmute yourself.
Unmute, teacher.
What is this? Some network. What is this, Ra?
Photo not.
Yes, some network problem is in Anna. Okay, Kanishka.
Teacher. Cooperation.
Yes, very good. Cooperation. Next. Time is up now. Next class, I will ask you from question and answers from this lesson. Okay, all of you read the lesson. Okay, what is outdoor games, what is indoor games, why we play the games, and some past games and team games names. So some team name, player names also I will ask. Okay, so all of you read the lesson. Read the lesson. Okay, children. I hope you understood the hard words. So if you have any doubt, means pronunciation, ask me, Nana. Okay, thank you.